Hi guys, and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot a snap without them knowing. To start, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you are now here, select Chat. Over at Chat, select a conversation that you already have over at Snapchat. In here, select any of their snaps, then give it a replay. Open your conversation this time, and then in here, select Tap to View. Open their snap this time. Then in here, you can take a screenshot simply using your mobile device. Now to cut to the chase, if you delete Snapchat and then install it again and again, log in it so you don't get the notification that says you recorded the message. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.